What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I got a 1964 Corvette with side pipes, a 350 under the hood. Should be a good little test drive. We're gonna take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We put videos out all the time. We usually do it every day. We had to slow down a little bit so we could pave this lot, get all the cars back on here. We got an updated website at maplemotors.com with new cars. And there's gonna be a two-part video. There's gonna be a walk around pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, and there's also gonna be a test drive, which you're on right now. Hit up maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, we finance these cars. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, before we take off, we're gonna look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Get this thing started up. There's a 4-speed car here. Our temperature gauge is not working. Oil pressure is up. RPM's not working. Looks like our gas gauge is about halfway. We'll be watching it throughout the video. We'll check the speedometer as we're riding down the road. It is all zeroed out. That's not good odds for if it works or not. Windshield wipers, gonna need some help there. They're not working. Horn, no spring in the horn at all. Fan, I can't tell, the pipes are so loud. It sounds like it's barking, but I don't feel anything. Sounds like it's blowing down there though. Radio is coming on, but I'm not getting any sound out of it. All right, let's take off down the road, see how this thing runs and drives. And guess what, guys? Horn does work. It's up under the dash. Let's take off. All right, so on this one, you're gonna have to repair the power windows too. I don't know if it's in the switch here or what, but they're not working. I was gonna set y'all up in the window over there and I couldn't get it up. Of course, my luck, I don't know if y'all can see this, that's my breath. It's 35 out here and I got a top down. I'm getting ready to do a test drive, so bear with me. If I'm a little chilly, I'll let you know. I'm sure. Also gonna need a set of seat belts in this one. All right, we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see, like I have been already, I'm gonna point it out. The clutch is letting out a little bit past halfway to the top. We're gonna see how she runs and drives. I was told it runs and drives awesome. It needs the gauges fixed, the windows fixed. So far, that was all I was told. But as you see, I go through all the videos and point out anything that I can find. So we'll continue to do so. And about halfway through the video, I'm gonna do a walk around, point out any kind of flaws on the outside of the car. Be sure to be looking for that. No power steering on this one. And baby, it's cold outside. Come on. I'm ready to go. Down in the car a little bit, get the wind off the camera. This one is pulling a little bit to the left as we ride down the road, and it has some slack in the steering. It's going to need to be addressed. The brakes on this one seem to be working pretty good. They're stopping nice and fast. And it feels like it's going into every gear nice and smooth. Just taking it easy right now on this one. I can hear the turn signals clicking behind the dash, but I don't see it popping up on the dash. parking lot over here, point out any kind of flaws, doing that extra video that I want you to watch. I'm also going to do some undercarriage shots of this car. That's what we're going to do right here in this parking lot. I go slow. I don't know where all this water came from. It rained 2 or 3 days. All right. Water line busted or something. Okay, guys. Let's go ahead and get these outside shots. Getting ready to head back to the lot. Everything seems good. Engine's nice and cool. Running nice. Did the walk around video, pointed out all the flaws. We're getting ready to take off down the road here. Hey, look, the windshield wipers are working. They wasn't working at the beginning of the video. I'd say it's got to be a faulty switch. Just picked up a good ground or something. Is still pulling to the left. On that road with a speed bump in it, we're going to hit it at a moderate speed, give you an idea. On the suspension, you can listen for rattles and shakes, the best I can do through a video at least. I'll show you where it's at when it's coming up. It's right by this big 31W truck. Talking right here. It's decent for a Corvette. The older Corvette suspensions weren't as nice as some of the new stuff that's out, that's for sure. Who'd have thought? Be out here riding around December 15th with the top down. People think I'm crazy out here. We made it back to the lot. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this in, grab another car. Like I said, I've got 7 others to do today. Well, this week. There's no way I'm gonna get 7 done today. You can see our new car lot all set up. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this almost daily. We took a little bit of a break because we had to put this down and get all the cars back in here. Check out maplemotors.com for all current inventory, shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And we do update with new cars every Monday. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell, let you know when I post a car for sale. I'm gonna go ahead and get busy. Grab me a few more. I may even skip lunch today. I got a lot to do. Let's get it done, guys. See y'all.